Castor oil is a multipurpose vegetable oil that people have used for thousands of years. It's made by extracting oil from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. These seeds, which are known as castor beans, contain a toxic enzyme called ricin. What is castor oil used for? Castor oil is a triglyceride that has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Research shows that, when applied to the skin, it may prevent infection, reduce inflammation, improve localized blood flow, and shed damaged skin cells, all of which help skin's healing process. Can castor oil grow hair? Castor oil hasn't been found to do anything substantial for hair growth. But there are some effects that may indirectly help your beard hair grow. Its ability to fight off bacteria or fungal growth on the skin may help protect your follicles from damage, which can keep your hair healthy and promote hair growth. Is castor oil poisonous to humans? Castor oil is not considered very toxic, but allergic reactions are possible. Call the Poison Control Center for treatment information. Is castor oil good for hair fall? Prevents hair fall. Hair fall is one of the common problems faced by plenty across the globe. Massaging your scalp with castor oil helps make the roots stronger and prevent hair fall. It has the ability to trigger and stimulate hair growth from dormant follicles.